Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix the error EasyAntiCheat is not installed in Fortnite. So first you just have to go to your local disk to see that you can tap your folder and then try to look for a local disk. Okay, so once you open your local disk, you should go directly to Program Files 86. And then after that, you have to locate here your Epic game. Okay, tap this one. And then after that, you have to scroll down and tap Fortnite. And then click this Fortnite again. And then go to binaries. After that, you have to click this Win64. Tap this one. And then here you have to go to this Easy Anti-Cheat. Tap this one. Now you have to create a shortcut. So you have to copy this one and then paste. Click continue. And then after that, you just have to simply click this duplicate easy anti-cheat and then go to properties. And what you're going to do is to simply add repair. And then after that, you just have to click apply and then click OK. And then after that, you can go back to your game and then see if this method works and see if it fixed the error easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.